December. For many, a month of holidays, celebrations, and maybe, just maybe, big moves in crypto. But what does history actually tell us about December for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market? Let's dive in. First, yes, December sometimes brings the so-called Santa rally, a year-end bounce fueled by rising sentiment, holiday liquidity, and renewed risk appetite. Over the past decade, there have been Decembers where Bitcoin popped 20%, 30%, even more. But here's what the data also shows. December is far from a guaranteed win. From 2013 through 2024, Bitcoin ended higher in only 5 out of 12 Decembers. That's less than half. In fact, many years register flat or slightly negative returns, meaning a handful of strong years pull up the average, while most remain mediocre. So if December were all about a predictable rebound, we'd see more consistency. We don't. So why do some Decembers rally? There are a few often quoted drivers. Holiday liquidity plus end-of-year capital flows, potential macro tailwinds, e.g. interest rate cuts, increased risk appetite, institutional buying. Supply dynamics. As many holders slow selling, holidays, tax planning, less sell pressure can create room for upside. But, and this is important, December also comes with risks. If prior months, like November, were weak, a downward momentum often carries into December. Institutional demand may remain muted. ETF outflows and cautious macro outlook can suppress rallies. Crypto is still ultra-volatile. Surprises, news, macro shocks can derail seasonal expectations. So, what does that mean for 2025? We're entering December with recent weakness. Some red months, macro uncertainty, cautious institutional flows. That raises the possibility December stays flat or even dips. But it also means that if catalysts align, favorable macroeconomic shifts, renewed demand, liquidity, the stage is set for a nice rebound. The bottom line, don't treat December like a safe bet. Think of it as a watch closely month. If you're a long-term investor, December could offer a buying opportunity, especially if price dips more and whales don't dump. If you're trading short-term, be ready for wild swings and avoid expecting a rally just because it's December. In crypto, calendar matters, but only data and behavior truly tell the story. If you want to stay updated with the latest December moves plus market signals, hit subscribe and follow along with Daily Crypto Drop.